Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Vanguard tax documents for dividend and capital gains, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Vanguard tax documents for dividend and capital gains, begin by visiting the Vanguard website. Log in to your Vanguard account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section. Look for the Tax Center option within that section. Click on Tax Center to access your tax documents. Locate the option for Tax Documents or Tax Forms. Select the relevant year for which you need tax documents. Review the available documents, focusing on the dividend and capital gains forms. Click on the links to open or download the needed tax documents. If prompted, choose the format for downloading the documents, such as PDF. Make sure you have a PDF reader installed to view the files. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to review your tax documents. Check for the accuracy of the reported dividend and capital gains information. If you notice any discrepancies, contact Vanguard customer support for assistance. After reviewing your documents, save them securely for your records. If necessary, print the documents for your tax preparation. Keep in mind any deadlines for filing your taxes to ensure timely submission. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.